Power target trades, power trigger trade.
All right, people, I got a great winning plan here in FedEx. Another one, the 5th in a row this year since July. And I will link some of the other winners, and I would do your due diligence to study my channel. You know, winning 5 in a row is called real direction, real focus, adaptive thinking. No one does it like power trigger trade with options. Nobody does it. That being said, October the 15th, let's see what I said to the group. FedEx is a stock that is too good and remains following the rules. This pullback is a great way to get inside the stock that is in our favor. And this plan can win over 100%. Well, we didn't get 100% because we had to cash out a little bit earlier. Today, October the 19th. I want to show you the gains we did make. And it's not over yet, but again, I'm going to be managing the facts inside of Power Group Trade. So study and look to find out how to become a member inside our group. I'm going to tell you more information about that. Let's get to this FedEx trade, people. Let's get to it. So I'm going to click into the charts here. And here's what I said. FedEx set up the test 295 to 300 next. The November 20 2-week calls is what we will use. FedEx getting above 277.50 here from here is a good entry to get into this. As you can see, the options were $1,115. That was the close of October 14th. Now, I posted this plan before the open on October the 15th. Okay, so that means we had to get in on the power above 277.5 because FedEx, if you look, it opened down. And I think, well, we'll go to the charts and let's take a look. We'll take a look at what happened. Let's see how I manage this in the group and why I am the best power trigger trade. All right then. As you can see here, I said October. Today's weakness in the SPY is just another opportunity to get back into FedEx, a stock that has the odds stacked in our favor. It is what I call a frozen rope, a pattern that chops its way higher. This stock, based on today and many other facts, is a key stock to help us win more gains. Well, that's exactly what happened because from October the 15th, we just made money in FedEx, okay? The facts are clear that FedEx is a great winner. So I explained stuff. We made some money in FedEx, by the way, too. I mean, in Tesla. It is still high. When we saw, okay, let's see what happened here. Let's go 1 second here, people. We made money in Tesla, but we had to get out on the stops. We made 50%. We made some good gains. FedEx remains one of the strongest stocks in all of this, and that is our edge here. Stopped out of Tesla. All right here. Both Flag City, people, and FedEx, one of the strongest trending stocks. FedEx Ferry, people, buy stops can be set at 12.50. So we had stops at 12.50. One second, people. Yeah, here it is. Bid hit 12.30, will pay. So basically what happened is we ended up paying, I'm going to show you FedEx, yeah, $12.50 on the buy stops. However, I got in a bit better than that. Well, my cost was $12.37, so basically $12.30 on the buy stops, okay, with FedEx. We're going to go to the charts to show you. So basically, FedEx is a stronghold. So basically, October the 15th, we got in the plan at about $12.30, $12.50 per option, okay, and sold today at $19.50, okay, a good 7-point gain. So I had 18 of these options. 700 wasn't big gains, but great gains considering how difficult the market has been being. And while we've been correct 5 times in a row in FedEx. All right then. So here on 7 hour, you see 7 hours. This is October the 19th. FedEx, we were looking to take 50% profits at 20 to 22 area. And I explained my FedEx. So here, I just sold 50% at $19.50 per option. As FedEx went into that 290 area, the options were in this $19.50 to $20 per option. I then decided to put a stop at 17 on the runners. Give me a second here, people. See, this is 3 hours ago. So, people, for the FedEx runners, we will place stops at 17. And we will be looking to go into another. So, basically, long story short, got stopped out at FedEx at 16.90 for the runners. So, 9 of the options, I got $700 per option. And the other 9, 500. So, a total of about almost $10,000 for a trade that we placed in this chop mess since Thursday. Let's go to the chart. But before I go to the chart, let's look at some of the gifts I received. Ash, a longtime member. Thank you, Sandro, for the FedEx win. Real direction and big picture thinking from you brought this win while the market chops. Happy trading. God bless. $490. Bruce, another long-term member. Documented plans in stocks like Tesla and FedEx, real-time guidance, and the finest skills. You have led me to success I could not achieve without you. Thanks, Sandro. $500 from Bruce. So you can see the date, October the 19th, right? That's the date. Eric, 500. Sandro, great style on FedEx. Right, $507 gift. Carlos, 380. Fernando, 152. David, 507. Sandro, thank you for leading us to another FedEx win. The market has been very difficult lately, but your skills and leadership is clearly keeping us focused on catching the big winners. Power Trigger Trade. Let's go to the charts, people. Let's go to the charts. All right, people, so here we are in the charts. Let's take a look here. So basically, on that Thursday, we're going to go to a 10-minute chart, okay? And let's take a look what happened, okay? So, on October the 15th, okay, as you can see, FedEx opened around 273. And around 1:20 p.m. is when it confirmed. And since that day, it didn't look up. And we even when we pulled back on Friday, we were up still with a close at 283. And then we got the gains today, and then they pulled it back. The fact is the matter is, people, I'm Power Trigger Trade. Number one of what I do, adaptive thinking. If you're not grinding with skill, you will have not a prayer to succeed like this with options. Options trading is a step above buying shares. Shares is baby easy compared to making money with options. Great timing skills and great rules are not necessarily needed. Study my YouTube channel hard if you're serious for success. Study hard. Ha ha. All right now. So look at the charts we saw. On October the 15th, where I put the plan, we opened at 273. Remember, the confirmation was 277. Well, that happened around 1:15 p.m. So I posted it I posted it before the market opened. We made money on that day, cashed out practically 2.5 days of holding, of trading market. All right now. Let's take a look at an options chart, okay, people? For the November 20 280 calls, okay? So here they were. On October the 14th, you can see, you look at the box there, the open, 1065, high, 1220, and the low, 1115, okay? On this day, you can see the options they opened, which was on Thursday, the October 15th, okay? The day we got in. They opened at 975. The low was 950, and the high was 1446, and that's where we closed, okay? So we were making some money right on that day. The next day, we had a high of, opened at 1454, a high of 1720, a low of 1445, and a close at 1545. Look at the box. Look at the arrow. I'm showing you that box. Study and think. This is called an options chain. It shows you all the information. If you look at that video for FedEx November the 20 to for the 280 calls, okay? Today, look where the options hit. It shows a high of 1986. I sold 50% at 1950. Okay. 1950. The options only were able, you were only able to get out, get only not 30 cents higher. That is the position. And then we held our runners, got stopped out at 1690. Today, these options, they closed at 1420. Still, if you didn't get stopped out, still a winner, even as the market had fallen. Power ticker trade. All right, people, welcome to Power Ticker Trade. Listen, people, my group is free. Free for those serious for success. I even offer $100 for someone who's able to follow the rules. Because I am certain that someone who studies and really follows what I do will be successful. They'll be sending me gifts. I don't charge to get into my group. My group's too valuable. Instead, I manage people. From start to end, I give you the mindset to succeed long-term in the markets. Power ticker trade. My group is free. Again, I give $100 to the people who follow the rules. Never done in history before. No one. People want, listen, you can try my group for free. I give you $100 if I see you are serious for success. I know who's serious for success. A lot of people, they don't want the $100. They just want to come to the group. Again, I'm only offering this for those serious for success new members. Power ticker trade, Sandro here. So let me show you. So basically, follow the instructions of this video, the pinned tweet video. All right? Follow them. And then do what it says. Contact me. We'll take care of you. Power ticker trade. All right, then. Let's go to my YouTube channel. Click on the link over here. Welcome to Power Target. My YouTube channel, Power Target Trade, is the link you can find on Power Ticker Trade. Study this created playlist. A wealth of great information. You should see the Tesla trade. Monster win. 2K options to 27K. Luke, a member in my group, with just one option, changed his life for the better. Was able to send me a 1.7K gift. See that video for yourself. It's all there. Study my channel like this is gold here. It's for the, listen, this is not for the gamblers, this is for the intelligent people. Very few people in the world. But for those who are serious for success, I'm here for you. Power ticker trade. All right then. So study the other FedEx. This is the fifth one. Check out all the other FedEx wins. You can see them over here. FedEx win. October the 8th. FedEx win. Study. Look for yourself. Think. This is done. Time, back to back to back. No one does it like Power ticker trade. They don't have the skills like Power ticker trade. Year after year after year, all documented. No one does it like Power ticker trade. Apple, Tesla, FedEx, you name it. Power ticker trade, I get us into the best plans when they're good. If FedEx wasn't good anymore, we wouldn't be in more plans. I go into as many plans as, whether it's FedEx or Apple, to me, it's about quality and rules and long-term and the big picture thinking. I've been right the market year after year after year like no one else. Clowns have been destroyed and smashed to nothing compared to Power ticker trade's advice. Okay? No one's better than Power ticker trade. By none, by far. Options trading is the most skillful trading required to make money, leveraging your money. I also have shares in Tesla and shares in Apple. But that's besides the point. I do a lot of option trading that gives you a lot of power and leverage. But you need massive skill. And I grind year after year after year. I don't run like the little clowns do. I grind it out. Whether it's tough or good, we are making the dollar bills with skills. At the end of the video, you're going to see a picture. You're going to see this logo here. Click on it. It's going to give you an easy way to subscribe. Don't forget to study and like the video.